There are three main options if you're missing all of your teeth: a standard denture. The advantages for a standard denture are it's very fast and you can do it at a reasonable cost. The disadvantages for a standard denture: you only retain 10 to 20% of your chewing ability. You have to take it in and out of your mouth and your bone still resorbs. A better option is what we call a snap-in denture with implants. The advantage of the snap-in denture is that you can retain 50 to 60% of your chewing ability. If you have lost bone height, you can actually fill it in. If you have that facial sagging, it can help with that. Your best option is what we call an all-on-6 or more implants. It's actually a bridge that's screwed into your mouth made of zirconia. The advantage of it is you retain 90 to 95% of your chewing ability, and you have a lot of force that you can chew with, and it stays in your mouth as fixed. The disadvantage of all-on-6 or more is it may require more implants. It also may or may not require grafting. The price is determined by the number of implants you need, the option you choose, and whether or not you need grafting. Please give Dentistry on Broad a call so we can determine what the best option for you is.